这你也考虑了吗？考虑我是不是来着？
It's fine, bro. Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
No, you are the vice president. That's why I got. Hey, you get and I said. That's all fine.
Thank you so much for patiently waiting. It seems like we are still trying to clear things with the names of our achievers. So let's start first with our medalists for today. For the bronze medalists, these are people who have demonstrated impressive skills and dedication in their work. We'll be calling them on deck. From Environmental Science, 3rd place. Can we hear a loud cheer for our 3rd placer? Third place goes to Misa with water infiltration system. Please go to the stage. To award our medalists, may we call in Sir Chamaong to award the medals for our winners. After receiving your medal, please stay so that we will have our group picture afterwards. Let's now proceed to our chemistry. 3rd place for chemistry, we have SPT Riverside. Project in fractional distillation of petroleum, study of separation techniques and product applications. Once again, Sir Ali, will you please award the medals? Next R is biology. 3rd place goes to NISA with smart and integrated farming.
Let's go! Congrats!
Cavite City with RC Bolt. Thank you, students. Students, please come forward as we have our group photo also. Please come forward. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our bronze medalists. Let's give them a round of applause, please. We'll now proceed to our silver medalists. These projects are showcase exceptional innovation and excellence. All right, may we call Sir Tyler to give us the silver medalist for today. For our second medalist for environmental science, we call SKT with eco-friendly dye. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Let's now proceed to our chemistry. The winner for silver medalist for chemistry is Misa with electroplating. Another set of medalists for biology. We have Misa with chewing battle and dental health. complete our silver medalists under physics. Any guesses for our last remaining award for silver? And silver medalist goes to SKT City with water level indicator. May we call all the students, please come forward so we can have our group photos. And we would also like to take this time to let Sir have his message for us today.
I'm very excited and happy. First of all, I would like to thank all participants. You made a great job. It was not seen only in your work, it was seen in your eyes. You did it with great effort. And I also want to thank all organizers from all schools. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
现在准备。
What category are you? In one. You win already? Yeah. Okay, then record. When it starts. How long is it going to take?
We will now call Miss Annalyn Jumagu, the head of Easter Campus, to award us our People's Choice Innovative Project. And the winner for our People's Choice goes to... Any cheers from the crowd? The winner for our People's Choice goes to SKT Water Filtration. Thank you so much and congratulations once again. Also, please stay as as we award our most innovative. The two winners for most innovative. The first winner is NISA with Smart and Integrated Farming. They have the same points. That is the reason why we have two winners for this award. Another recipient of the most innovative award goes to SKT Riverside, the effects of different types of loads on the power factor.
Yeah, obviously, every Cuba like green people. There isn't any Cuba as people.
Thank you so much and congratulations once again.
Okay, come on. Come on.
And now let us proceed to our gold medalist, whose outstanding contribution truly set them apart. And to give the honor of awarding this, may we call Sir Aras to give us the honor of awarding the medalist. And our first roster of gold medalists goes to, and a cheer from the crowd. Under environmental science, we have NISA. The Smart Village with renewable. May we also request a student to please stay as we have our group photo after this. And after this, I believe the marketing team will have interview sessions with you guys, so please stay. The next recipient of our gold medal awards goes to Under Chemistry. Any cheer from the campuses? Of all the entries for today, the winner for gold, SKT Riverside, with the title Measuring the Speed of Reaction Using Gas Pressure. environmental science and chemistry. Let us now proceed to biology. And the winner for biology is Misa, with the title Drought, Stress, and Potassium Unit. And last but not the least, under physics. And the winner of our gold medal is... Any cheer from the campuses? The last area for today, the winner of our gold medal under physics is SKT Riverside, with the effects of different types of loads on the power factor. May we request the students to please come forward as we have our photo op with the winners. So much and congratulations to all our winners. And to finally give the Best School Awards, may we call in our Managing Director of BFI, Mr. Uyatun, to give us the award. Who do you think is the winner of our Best School for this year's Science Project Competition? Any cheer from the campuses? Can we hear a cheer coming from Misa, Nisa, SKT City, SKT Riverside, and the winner for this year is, drum roll please, do we have drum roll? Alright, and the winner for this year, Best School for the Science Project Competition goes to SKT Riverside. May I request the participants to please come forward.